In this problem, we are computing the present value of a single sum. John wants to have $20,000 in 5 years. He is going to be able to earn a 4% annual interest rate. He needs to know how much should he set aside today in order to get 20,000 in 5 years. So notice it is still a single sum. This time we know the end amount, we don't know the beginning amount. So I'm going to go ahead and use a similar structure to what I did before. And I'm putting in here my number of periods. It was 5 years. It's annual compounding. That stays 5. When I do switch to semi-annual, that'll be twice a year. So that'll end up being 10 periods. And 4 times a year, that'll be 20. The rate is 4% when it's annual. It switches to 2% when it's semi-annual and 1%. So notice 4% divided by 2 for semi, 4% divided by 4 to get us our quarterly rate. The present value is what we're looking for. Present value is what we're looking for, and this time we know the future value is the 20,000 that he's going to have at the end of 4 years. Again, since it's a single sum, the payment and the type are left blank. In order to get the present value, I'm going to click on the cell, go to Financial, scroll down to what's called the PV, present value, and my pop-out box shows me these things. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the rate, 4%, number of periods, click on that cell, payment, I leave blank, future value, I'm going to put a minus in front of my future value amount, and I'm leaving type blank. And so that's what we have there. And what I'm going to do is just copy and paste. And the reason this works is that the cell values are in here as, this is M 12 or 13 on my screen. And so when I go ahead, you can see up here it says M13, M12, M17. When I click over here, I've copied and pasted, and it's already rolled over to all the O's. And then the same with quarterly. So a little shortcut there to get you through your homework. And otherwise, you can click on each box and keep trying and get yourself a little extra practice.